Y'all boys pissing me off. Hitting me up talking about this and that and how to get through breakups and how to get over a girl. Get to work. Get to fucking work. Why are you even... You don't have time to be sad. You don't have time to be sad. Fuck.
There's only one rule in this fucking jungle. When the lion's hungry, he eats.
Straight from the underworld, coming for the underworld.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy. I just wanted to holler at y'all real quick. I wanted to talk to y'all about struggles today. And like, we all know in life you go through different struggles and you have different moments of ups and downs. But what I wanted to tell y'all today is y'all can either let those moments, those struggles, everybody goes through struggles. You can either let those struggles make you soft and weak and mopey and going about like, oh, I can't do this, I can't do this. Or you can make you bulletproof, bro. Like, a lot of y'all need to be thanking God for the struggles y'all have, because it's giving you a moment. It's giving you a chance to turn into the man that you could actually be. Y'all feel me? Like, you have to think of like all the hard times you've went through. If you're not still moping and down on your dick about it, if you look at it, you can almost take a positive out of it, because it turns you into like, I don't know. It turned me into a killer. Like when I get some shit going on, I automatically turn into it's problem solve mode. I lock in, I dial in. Like, you go through a breakup or some shit, and I don't know about y'all, but like, I go through a breakup and I'm like, bruh, like, let's fucking get it. It's time to go. Like, if you sit around and mope and stay down on your dick, the girl is gonna win. And I don't want it. I'm not trying to be a hater. Like, it's a competition. Like, woo. You should, at the end of the day, you should do this for you. But like, we gotta learn to take that dark energy, that anger, that sadness, that bitterness, all that shit, and we gotta turn that into fucking work, son. Y'all should be out here working. You got dumped. You should be stacking bread. You should be hitting the gym. You should be reading some books. Y'all boys stay down on your dick for months, bro. Years. Y'all be getting through a breakup fucking 5 years later. I need y'all to lock in, boys. Y'all sitting around moping, and she's out partying, getting a new man. She's out doing this and that. And you low-key you become an alcoholic. You get addicted to drugs. You been skipping work. You about to lose your job. You down bad on your dick, player. You down bad on your dick. Are you gonna let that struggle? Are you gonna let that pain? Are you gonna let that turn you into a fucking bulletproof killer? Or are you gonna like sit around and mope and let it make you soft? Take you off your path, take you off your purpose, take you off your mission. Y'all boys are sleepwalking right now. There's a lot of y'all that, I get it. Like, maybe you went through like a really rough time with family. Like, maybe you just lost a family member or some shit. That shit hurts. I've been there. I've lost 2 sisters. That shit's painful. And if you gotta take a little bit of time to pull your shit together, I get it. But y'all cannot sit down on your dick. Your family member would not want you to do that. You gotta find a way to pull your shit together. And if you'll let it, it'll make you fucking bulletproof. Because if you can get through shit like that, you can conquer the world, bro. There's nothing worse than that. There's nothing worse than losing a close family member. That shit's about bad as it gets. Cancer, all this shit that y'all are going through, you can let it turn you into a fucking killer, bro. You've got a chance. God has given you the opportunity to turn into a fucking badass. You've got a moment. What are you going to do with it? What are you going to do with it? You going to get down on your fucking dick and mope and cry about it? Or you going to go get to fucking work? Y'all boys pissing me off. Hitting me up talking about this and that and how to get through breakups and how to get over a girl. Get to work. Get to fucking work. Why are you don't have time to be sad. You don't have time to be sad. Fuck. You shouldn't even been with her in the first place. She wasn't even good with you, dog. Like, y'all had your little moment. Oh, you fell in love. Big fucking whoop. Get back to work, bro. Get back to work. Stop moping and complaining. Get in the fucking gym, get your body right, read some books, get your mind right. Just work fucking 3 jobs. I don't give a fuck, get your money right. Y'all can do this, boys. I believe in y'all. It's just a little something. Just a little something. Get up off your dick and get to work. I'm out.